In this video, we will show you how to loop a YouTube video. For example, you have favorite music, song, or another that you want to play infinitely. First, open the YouTube that you want to play infinite loop. After that, after you open the video, you can right click on the video and choose loop. When you right click again, you can see the loop has been checked. Okay, I will slow down the sound. When you on module loop in here, you can see the checked is marked. Okay, I will make the video faster to see it's loop or not. Okay, you can see. Now, the video has been looped automatically. Let's see again. Okay, until you uncheck the configuration for the loop, the video will looping infinitely. Okay, to disable the loop, you can just right click again and select this to uncheck. Okay, now the video will not loop again. And that's all tutorial how to loop a YouTube video. Thanks for watching.